So oriental cockroaches, these are the actually from Africa. They are large and very dark compared to other cockroaches. They usually travel through sewer pipes and drains. They prefer dirty places. And cooler temperatures than other cockroaches. So we can compare to other cockroaches. This cockroach only it is living very dirty place and very cool temperature also. Then viviparous cockroach. Diploptera punctata is a species of cockroach in the family Bellabridae. Okay, Bellabridae. It is one of the few cockroach species that is viviparous. Adults are chemically dependent, having a modified tracheal gland and spiracles on each side with screeds, poisoners which can poison or discourage a predator. So these adults they can secrete some of the chemical. With the help of the chemical, it is involving in a defense mechanism. Okay, so this cockroach having a modified tracheal gland. That glands are present connected into the spiracles on the sides. Each side of the tracheal tube, they can secrete one of the poison. With the help of that poison, they can escape from the predator. Okay, the next another one of the cockroach, it is known as brown banded cockroach. The wings of male cockroaches are larger than the female wings. So brown banded cockroach often hide their eggs in or under the furniture. நம்ம வீட்டிலெல்லாம் க்ளீன் பண்ணுறப்ப சேர் இது கட்டிலெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்னா இருக்கும். அந்த ஒரு ப்ரௌன் கலரில் ஒரு கேஸ் வந்து அப்படியே ஒட்டிகிட்ருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கும் கார்னரில். ஓகேவா? Then they usually live for 5 to 6.5 months. Okay, so cockroaches are known to be carry diseases like dysentery, typhoid and poliomyelitis as well as gastroenteritis, stomach pain, the stomach kulla varakuriya disease. Okay, according to the National Cooperative Inner City Asthma Studies, 23% to 60% of urban residents with asthma are sensitive to the cockroach allergen. ஸோ அந்த இதில் இருந்து என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, NCICAS அதுலேருந்து 23%லேருந்து 60% ஆஃப் ஆஸ்துமாவுக்கு காரணம் என்னது, இந்த காக்ரோச் அலர்ஜன்னால தான் ஆஸ்துமா வருதுன்னு இருக்காங்க. Cockroaches have been implicated in the spread of 33 kinds of bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella species, 6 parasitic worms, and more than 7 other types of human pathogens. They can secrete the diseases. 33 kinds of bacteria it is spreading through these cockroaches. They can cause the disease to the human being. Okay, can you understood all of you? Okay, thank you students. Then we have only frog. We will discuss next class in a frog. Okay, so what I am teaching, you must study each and every line, every organ system in this lesson. Okay, thank you.